wait, if you don't do this, then your account is going to be hacked. You have to do this. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safeguard your details from getting hacked. As you all know that hackers are everywhere, hackers are ready to get your details, hackers are ready to tamper with your privacy. So with this tutorial I'm about to do, you are going to learn how to safeguard your details. You are going to learn how and what you need to do to avoid getting hacked. About 10 million different passwords were leaked by hackers from different platforms. Let me show you. As you can see, these are the leaked passwords. Aside from this password, there are about millions and millions of other password leaks. This is just an example I'm showing you. And with this password, hackers can get access to your details without you knowing. They can get to your account without you knowing. Either Gmail account, any other email account, your social media account, and anything. Your password can be part of these passwords. What do you need to do to safeguard your details? Let me show you. And there is a platform I'm going to show you now, which you check whether your password is leaked or not. You can check whether your email address or phone number is leaked or not. Let me take you through. Before we go in deep into the tutorial, let me show you something. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. You can turn the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you when I upload a new video. So all you need to do in order to safeguard yourself and to stay away from getting hacked is to follow these steps. Number one, just type yonaija.com/security. Click on enter. You can do this with your phone, with your laptop, and whatever you are using to browse. As you can see in this website, they are going to tell you whether your password is hacked, is leaked or not. And believe me, this is a genuine website. This is not a phishing website, and this website is verified. All they do is to try and secure and try to let everyone secure his or her details and to let everyone have privacy. This website is genuine. Let me show you an example. Let me go to their Facebook page and see whether they are verified or not. Cyber News, that is the name of the website. As you can see, cybernews.com, but I would suggest you use the link I showed you, yonaija.com/security. Let me see whether they are verified. As you can see, they are verified by Facebook. This is to show you that these people are genuine. This website is genuine. All they do is to get all the leaked passwords, all the leaked details. As you can see, LinkedIn account, about 700,000 LinkedIn accounts that were hacked are being dropped here. You can check whether your account is part of it. 500 million Facebook accounts hacked. As you can see, everything is here. 11,000 we leak, 11,000 information. As you can see, combination of different accounts, different platforms, email accounts, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and any other platform you can think of. They are all here. So you can see 3.2 billion accounts, combination of 3.2 billion accounts. 1.4 breach compilation of accounts. As you can see, 500 million Facebook accounts. This website is genuine. How do you then stay away from getting hacked? Number one step I'm going to show you, make sure you do this. I'm telling you, this site is genuine. Cybernews.com. You can check it on Google and find out yourself. As you can see, this is the website. They are going to show you anything that has to do with security. You can even come down here, check about them, check the career. I can do and undo here, but let me show you how you are going to secure your details. Number one thing you need to do is to think of the passwords you've been using. Think of the passwords you've been using for several years. What are your passwords? You might have different passwords, but that doesn't mean you cannot be hacked. You might have like 5-6 different passwords, 5-6 secured passwords, but your password might have been leaked and you are vulnerable to hacking. You have to do this. If you don't do this, your account is likely to get hacked at any time. So number one thing you need to do is make sure you are using different passwords on different platforms. For instance, if your email account is 1234567 make sure your Facebook account is 01287ABC. Make sure you are using different password on different platforms. That is the number one trick. If not, your account is likely to be hacked. Number two, just click on the YoNaija. Make sure you do that. yonaija.com/security. When you click on that, it's going to redirect you to this cybernews.com. cybernews.com. Just think of the password you are using. Now let's check. What you need to do here is to check whether your password is leaked or not. And I'm very sure if you're using like 10 passwords, one of them must have been leaked. If your password is not leaked, then comment down below and I'm going to show you another method which you are going to see whether your password is leaked. But for this method I'm about to show you, make sure you think of the password, all the passwords you've been using. Think of them. This is not a phishing website. This is a password checker. You are just going to check whether your password is part of the leaked details, leaked information, leaked passwords. So what you need to do is, for instance, I'm using 123098 as my password. I'm going to put it down here and click on check now. As you can see, oh no, your password has been leaked for 14,000 times. As you can see, this password, if you are using this password, you need to change it. All you need to do is, after checking the password, if your password is leaked, make sure you change it. Make sure you change it. As you can see, some of the leaked passwords are here. I'm having them. As you can see, these are the passwords. About 10 million leaked passwords. I can just decide to do brute force on your account, and then if your password is part of this 10 million passwords, then your account is gone. I will get access to your account. They use these passwords to engage into brute force. As you can see, these passwords are genuine passwords. Some people are using these as their password. Some people are using 12987, 129856, 12972. As you can see, different types of passwords are mentioned here. So all you need to do is to check. Come down here, check. For instance, let me take this password, one of the leaked password. Let me copy this password, come down here. Let me assume this is my password. Let me put it here and then click on check. As you can see, this password is leaked 2 times. Even if your password is leaked 1 time, make sure you change it. I'm repeating, make sure you change it. If not, your account is likely to be hacked. As you can see, just let me try another one. Let me come here, copy this password, come down here. I'm assuming this is the password I'm using for my account. I'll just click on check. As you can see, this password is leaked 46 times. Even if it's just 1 time, make sure you change it. This is an advantage to you if you are watching this video. Make sure you do this. If not, you can get hacked at any time. Let me try another password to be sure. You can check. I'm going to drop the link to download these 10 million passwords on the description below. Let me check this. Some people are using Princess, some people are using, let me try search Princess if I will see Princess here. Princess, because I know of a friend who uses Princess as his password. Okay, let me up. Cannot find. Wow, sorry, I used Princess. Let me find it. Cannot be found. Let me calm down. Cannot. Wow, the spelling is not correct. Hope I spell it well now. As you can see, Nai Princess. This person is likely to be hacked if you are using this password. Different password you can think of are here. As you can see, let me try up. These are the passwords. As you can see, iPrincess, my princess, princess A16, princess A9, princess. As you can see, you are likely to get hacked. Just come down here, put on the password. Let me assume I'm using 2397. As you can see, this password is leaked 169 times. That is just that. All you need to do is to come down to the website I show you, yoniger.com/security. Put on your password, check it whether it has been leaked. If your password is leaked, change it immediately. Make sure you change it immediately. And another thing I'm about to show you is to check whether your phone number, your contact address, your email address is also leaked. Let me give you an example. For you to check whether your phone number is leaked and is vulnerable to hacking, just open a new tab. You can use your phone or your laptop. All you need to do is to click on follow yoniger.com/data breach, and it's going to redirect you to a page where you find whether your email address or phone number is leaked. For instance, let me try this email address, just a random email address. As you can see, this email address is leaked. Your data, your personal data was found in the following data breach. As you can see, this email address is found. Let me give you an example. If you find out your email address is leaked here, what do you need to do? Make sure you stick to my channel. I'm going to drop the tutorial. The next tutorial I'm going to drop will be this. You have to change it. You have to do these steps. If not, you are likely to get hacked. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and if you like this video, make sure you click on the like button below, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload a new video. This is my channel. You can just go to youtube.com, search on YoNiger Tricks, and you're going to find my channel. Thanks for watching.